In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project in Jira, restore it, and delete it. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just trying to keep things organized, knowing how to archive, restore, or remove projects can be an essential part of your workflow. Let's dive right into it. To begin with, archiving a project, you'll first want to navigate over to the Projects section, which you can find on the left panel of your Jira dashboard. This area provides you with a view of all your current projects, making it easy to keep track of them. Go ahead and browse through this list to find the specific project you aim to archive. Once you've spotted it, pay attention to the three little dots located next to the project's name. This menu, commonly known as the More Options menu, holds the key to various actions you can perform on your project. Click on these dots and you'll see an option that says Archive Project. Select that option. Once you click, Jira will prompt you with a confirmation window. This is to ensure no accidental archiving happens. This is your chance to double-check everything, so take a moment, review it, and confirm if you're set on archiving it. Now, if the time comes when you need to restore a project you've archived, here's what you do. Start by clicking on the settings icon located in the top right corner of your dashboard. From there, navigate to the Projects tab and select Archive. In this section, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the projects you have previously archived, ready and waiting for potential restoration. Scroll through this list and locate the project you wish to bring back to active status. As before, you'll use those same three dots next to the project's name, but this time, select Restore. And just like that, your project reappears, breathing new life into your active projects list. Finally, let's talk about deleting a project. The process initiates much like archiving. Start in the Projects area, where you'll locate the project you want to permanently remove from your list. Click on those familiar three dots next to the project's name and look for Delete Project. Selecting this option triggers the deletion process. As a precaution, Jira will ask you to confirm your choice. Be sure to double-check your decision, as this step ensures you're perfectly ready to permanently remove the project. Once you confirm, your project moves to the trash and is no longer available in your active or archived projects. By following these straightforward steps, you can manage your projects efficiently within Jira. Archiving helps maintain a clutter-free workspace, restoring offers, flexibility in response to changing priorities, and deleting guarantees. Those outdated or unwanted projects don't stick around unnecessarily. If you find yourself with questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and I'd be happy to assist. That's all for now. Happy project managing!